Hi and welcome to this Stippilism tutorial. I'm Alice and in this episode I'll be showing you the scale and rotation settings for symbol stipple. Overall we'll cover overall scale and vary scale, overall rotation and vary rotation, rotation follows path and ignore largest path. All of these settings are very simple but provide a wealth of possibilities so are worth understanding. Let's start off by selecting this gradient. I'm going to zoom in so you can see what's happening. Apply a new symbol stipple. Don't worry about this include a variance option, we'll cover that in a later episode. For now we're just going to look at these scale and rotation settings. Select my triangle symbol again and press preview. Firstly we have overall scale, which is akin to dot size. This scales the original symbol size by a percentage value, 100% being the original symbol size and 50% being half and 200% being double. Next to this we have the tick box vary scale. I'll just tick that and enter a value of 5. This setting allows you to randomly multiply and divide the symbol by up to a value of 20. Next is overall rotation, which rotates the symbols as a whole. Let's try 20 degrees. Let's just put that back to 0 for the next bit, which is vary rotation. This randomly rotates the symbols up to a set angle. 20 going 20 degrees in either direction, and 360 giving you every possible rotation for a very random effect. Using just these settings enabled me to create this artwork, a total transformation from the original. Let's switch to this artwork in order to show you the last couple of settings. So we have two paths, one with a basic appearance and the other with a gradient stroke. Both already have a stipple applied using the triangle symbol. I'll just zoom in. Okay, so now comes the really cool bit. Let's change our settings by ticking rotation follows path. And you'll see the symbol rotation follows the direction of the path. This, coupled with the overall rotation, creates a very different effect again. It works for fills too. This one has a radial gradient applied. And now on to the last setting. There might be times when you want to use paths to influence the symbol direction, but need the stipple to ignore the outer container path. For example, here I have a square black fill with a white stroke triangle placed inside. Make sure they're grouped together. That bit's important as it won't work otherwise. If I zoom in and untick ignore largest path, press preview, you'll see there's a change in the orientation of these symbols near our outer path. That's because this option tells your stipple to ignore the largest path when using the rotation follows path setting. In this case, the path of our black fill square is ignored and the path of our triangle is used. Such simple settings, but all provide many uses. Which brings an end to this tutorial. Just to recap, we've covered overall scale and vary scale, overall rotation and vary rotation, rotation follows path and ignore largest path. Up next is the colour settings, which are the next section on our menu. Don't forget, you can always download the free 14-day trial here today. Thanks for watching.